Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. What has two thumbs, recently hit her 40s, and suddenly needs readers? This girl. Oh yeah. But I guess if I have to wear readers, then I love that they get to be as stylish as these sun readers from Mass Vision. I can sit in the sun and read my book, I can clearly read road signs, and I look pretty foxy while I'm doing it, so that's a plus. These beautiful sunglasses are so well made. They fit perfectly on my face without sliding around, and they're not too tight that they give me a headache after wearing them for an extended period of time. I love the hard case that they come with, so I don't have to worry about them getting scratched or broken while they're in my messy purse. I also love the different colors and styles that this company has to offer. I know you're going to find a style that looks great on you. I am so impressed with the quality and durability of these glasses. They are very well made, even through the abuse that I put them through, and I'm going to recommend them to all of my 40-year-old sight-impaired friends. So if you're looking for a beautiful, stylish pair of sunglasses to protect your eyes while you sit at the beach or at the pool and read all day long, then I highly recommend these beautiful glasses from Mass Vision. And that's my point of view.